What's going on, guys? Welcome to Po Boys. We got the group out here. See, they keep them without. What? But they're not, because I bring guns, fights. Well, I can wheelie at 60 apparently. I didn't know I could do that until I just tried it. Dude, this bike is so freaking cool. With all the lights they put on those things, like they're probably one of the coolest ROMs I've seen. And those blinkers that they make themselves. It's really fucking cool. Oh, we're about to pull up on the lake. Gang, gang, gang. I'm gonna need gas before we go back there. I just hit reserve.
Yeah, let's go back in.
All right. We're about to go ahead and do the old group ride. Dude, I don't want to freaking wear gloves. I don't feel comfortable with them. Oh, that thing sounds great. My phone! Alright, so let's go ahead, make a moto vlog. We are out about an hour away from the town I normally live in. There's a lake, one of the lakes next to the town I live next to. It's pretty dope. Honestly, it's really a cool lake. There's a lot of cool stuff that goes on here. I'm on a bridge right now over the lake. I want to jump off this one day. A lot of people do that. It's really popular for people to jump off this bridge. Oh, finally, I can get this jacket strapped since I'm not wearing a glove. Gloves are freaking terrible sometimes. Like, they're great for riding, and I really don't recommend riding without them. However, like, man, I can't use anything if I got gloves on. Still going in, like, Rich show me Quan. Feels so intense. That's a night. I forgot all about it. Ooh, this is nice. I don't even know what town this is. They got a Southern Classic Chicken, though. If you've never been there, man, you're missing out on some chicken. It's like KFC times like a million. Southern Classic Chicken. It's hard to explain. It's just great. All right, so we're on this nice-ass road out here, doing the most work. Yeah, Joe. Got the legs down. The VFR. Damn, it smells like dead fish. That's what happens when you live next to a lake. I like Dr. Pepper. Some dogs, I don't want to hit them. Police officer was telling us to slow down because there was some wild dogs running around there. He almost hit one, and he was telling us, because we're obviously on bikes, to slow down. It's pretty cool. There's the lake. There's the other side of it. What are we doing? What? I wasn't wearing my GoPro. Of course, the one time I don't wear my GoPro, something crazy happens. Let's get it back up. You mind holding this? I'll pick it up for you. I'll get it. Okay. See, you got bud bars. Bars don't seem bent.
Nope. Tank's fucked. This is fucked. That's fucked. Dude, fuck.
You never would expect it like this. That's crazy, dude. I'm really happy that you're a lot, like, in better condition than you were.
I literally was not I was going, what, 25? No.
I mean, it's a 25-mile-an-hour curve, and, like, even hitting it at 25 is still going fast for that thing. There's a mirror right there. Another piece of plastic.
Can I put this in your bag?
Yeah. So both of us are in full gear, my helmet and all my gloves. Like, I was wearing gloves and everything. We're all in full gear, so don't worry about that part. Definitely riding safe. However, that did just happen. So you're alive, man. That's really all that matters. Because I was riding and I was talking to him. We were talking to each other, and then I was turning around. I was like, I couldn't see him. So I came back and this happened. The one time I'm not recording with the GoPro. Stupid self. I should have been recording. Man, I'm just super happy you're safe and not hurt.
Yeah, that'd been fun.
Because that could have been a lot worse.
Oh, there goes that.
No, you can still make it work. You just gotta be real careful with it. Not too bad. I felt it earlier. Let's see if it turns on, and it'll probably take a little bit. It won't even turn on.
Where's my shifter?
Oh, your shifter's broke off.
Well.
Shit.
That's what I did,
There you go.
Fuck me, dude.
There we go. Now we're getting somewhere.
That's neutral. Nope.
Oh, that was neutral?
Yep.
All right, I'm coming back up. All right, now you're in gear. Can you try and turn it on?
You gotta be holding the clutch. Well, I just told him his bike.
It's just a clutch switch right now. There's probably a clutch safety switch in here.
He hasn't even finished paying it off, dude.
We need to connect these right here.
To what?
Those two spades. We just need to connect them with some sort of metal.
Okay, there's a dent in the tank.
He's on the phone with our buddy. He's the one who owns that bike. He just came off over here. Yeah, that's about how it happened. Coming from this curve, it's more intense than it looks in person. And then this is also pretty downhill. If y'all don't remember, last time I did it, I came off right here because of that hoe right there. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's really freaking bright right now. So I bet you he got hit by the same thing. This road is dangerous with the sunlight and motorcycles. I can't explain to it enough. I was lucky. Luckily, he was lucky. I'm glad he didn't get hurt. Bikes are replaceable, but people aren't, so I'm super happy. This thing definitely flipped over. I mean, it landed over here, but like...
I'll pay it. Don't worry, dude. I'm definitely paying for all of it. I'm just fucking upset I did this to your shit, dude.
It's all good. I don't worry about it. I mean, that's why I had that bike.
Yeah.
So that's all he had. Just a little bit of road rash. You're gonna feel that tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely.
But you're also gonna be extremely happy you're wearing that Alpine Star jacket.
It's right on the pad, bro.
I'm really happy I'm wearing this thing right here. Man, taking gear for granted is something I'm not gonna do anymore. All right, guys, so I have the clutch working. The clutch lever is now this. It definitely pulls the wire. It's doing the job. And I also took this is his clutch safety switch. We needed to bypass that, and I just broke off the connector, which, I mean, it's gonna need a new switch anyways, so might as well break off this connector and put it back together. Now we can ride this thing home. Let me test this real quick. This is gonna be so sketchy.
There's no way, bro.
We just went to the garage. I got the GoPro on now, but I want y'all to see what I am having to go through in order to get this daggone bike to run. All right, you ready? If you've ever had to start a bike with a clutch cable or a clutch that's broken, you can just take the wires, break them off, and bypass them so you can start your bike. And now you don't need it anymore. The key's not on? That would help. There's no shifter. I just have a stick, and it's a bent stick. Oh shit, I stalled it. All right, well, we're gonna need to make this happen. Come on now, don't die on me, battery. All right, ready? Baby, I got a working clutch. And if you've never noticed before, you can ride a bike by yourself completely without having to use the clutch. You only use it to start and stop. I just shifted into second. Now I'm in third. Now I'm in second again. Like I said, it's super easy. All you gotta do is just do it. But there's not really much of a shifter here, so like shifting ain't that easy. Oh dude, I can find neutral from here? That's dope as shit. Oh boy. Oh my goodness, this is wild. Come on, catch up. have to turn around. He stole my bike. It ain't easy to ride big bikes or dirt bikes. I'm turning around. Come on. Dude, this is wild. I mean, I'm still dancing with this bike. The bars are down. Obviously, this right here is messed up. Tank's bashed. Clutch lever, brake, shifter down there, mirror, a few other small cosmetic things. But realistically, this bike isn't too bad off. Like, it's not in that bad of a condition, honestly. Obviously, it's been wrecked, but like, it's not in that bad of a condition. Small things, small cosmetic things, brakes, etc. I need to hit this light. Shit, why are you pulling in front of me, lady? There's no reason for this. Eyes are down because it's too bright for all this too. This is why I don't like riding with gloves. I need to do stuff, but like, I can't because my fingers are not able to move inside of these gloves. This is where Caleb had his wreck. Car pulled out into the left lane and he was in the left lane, and then tried to explain that it wasn't her fault because why would she do that? Why would you do that, lady? I don't know. You're the one that caused the wreck. It's hard to explain anything further past that. Grab a little bit of clutch because they're turning. Give it a little bit back. This is so freaking sketched. I'm still recording. That's pretty sweet. Hey, y'all want to see me? Pretty good. I'm making it happen. Damn! No! Oh man, depression sucks. Oh boy. Oh my friend, I am sorry. Oh my lord. Oh boy. All I want to do is tighten my helmet. Gang, where is dude? Fuck me, dude.
That's a big bitch.
It is a big bitch. Let me see.
Is that California right there?
No, California's back that way. All right, come on now. Make something happen here.
Well, see, this man here.
What'd you like?
He's a fucking legend. That's all I gotta say.
I jerry rigged it, dude.
Actually, no. Holy shit. Okay, never mind.
I rode home with that all the way from White Lightning, which is about.
Keep it in first gear?
No, I shifted the whole time. You only need the clutch to start and stop, but I mean, it's difficult in traffic to start and stop with the clutch. You'll see the
So
GoPro
what, did you
footage.
pull it like this?
Nope, I did it like this, and this is my clutch right here.
That's gangster. Did you film while doing that as well?
Yes, I did. That's
gotta
why
see
I grabbed
man.
the
I gotta
GoPro.
see that, man. So what, you were taking a left-hand turn?
Yeah.
And you low-sided or you high-sided?
He low-sided,
So
but the road was going downhill, so as he low-sided, he caught
Did you
traction,
fling
and
off
then
the
it
bike?
high-sided.
Oh, fuck, okay. Well, is your helmet all up? I mean, are you landing?
This came off.
You know, you can send them in to Shoei and they can test it to see if it's still good or not. I doubt it is, but I
get my
mean,
head
it's
down.
worth a shot. I still.
It's worth a shot. I mean, that's not too big of
Yeah,
a damage.
you could-
It's not too bad, honestly. I mean, the gas tank can go without being replaced right now, and
Yeah.
you could ride it perfectly fine. Really just need probably clutch switch assembly, possibly bars, mirror, front valence, and a shifter.
Like, I'd have been